As Joe and I worked the river, we began to see and feel how healthy this river is. From hard-working volunteers like Randy Beamish, this body of water had been given a new life.
In 2005, there was another push for an overall regulation change to encompass the entire Nipigon system and the North Shore Lake Superior tributaries included. And that regulation was a 22-inch rule. So for the most part, it's a catch and release fishery with that. They got a lot of pushback from some stakeholder groups on that releasing brook trout back after they were caught was not a good thing. And there was no real science at the time other than some of the catch and release data from 97 to 2005. So they expanded it. I got involved in 2004 and started tagging fish in the system. Annual recapture rates are anywhere from 15 to 30%. They hover right in the 20% area. It's pretty consistent. We know it works. We know you can catch them. You can let them go and catch them again. They're healthy. In fact, in close to 3,000 fish, I've seen no damage from handling. I've seen the odd tag, expand the wound where the tag goes in has expanded, but nothing detrimental. The fish are very receptive to catch and release. And here we are today. The population has expanded. It's doing extremely well. The Lake Superior fish are back in traditional tributaries where they weren't seen before. People are catching them all over the lake now. So they're doing quite well. What I like about it is the chance, I can back my 18-foot boat in, an hour and a half drive from my home, and realistically can catch an 8 to 10 pound brook trout each season. There's very few places in the world you can catch a 25-inch brook trout, and the Nipigon is one of those places, so it's one of a handful in the world.